So, good morning guys. How are you today? For us everything very good. Yeah, holiday. Wow, super nice. Yeah. I woke up little bit more early this morning to go to the market together with tea for our barbecue red. If you didn't saw it yet, I will link it up here. Then after I'm back to the loom, little bit editing done. Oh, a lot of footage. So need to keep working on that one, and then actually could take the time and sleep a little bit longer, but because she have a little bit back pain at the moment. Good morning, Mama.
Good morning.
How is it today?
Oh, okay.
Better a little bit?
Yeah, better a little bit, but a little bit back pain.
Yeah.
But will be better.
Yes. Also, no? Relax a little bit more, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Soon. Yeah. And good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Papa.
How are you today?
Good.
Good, yeah? So I went after the market. I also went to some small shop with street food where I buy the sticks with the sticky rice and the chicken and the pork. Was really very yummy. I like that one a lot. And then also Emily eat this one in the morning. What do you think about the sticky rice?
Yummy.
Yummy, huh? And the chicken and pork?
Yummy.
Yummy. As I told you already, looked super yummy, tasted super yummy. So you definitely have to try the Thai street food if you are in Thailand. So what is the plan for today?
We go some old area. What to call?
Some old area. The volcano, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the plan for today is that we want to, how they call this one? Khao Kradong? Khao Kradong is some old volcano here in Buri Ram. So if you might wondering why Emily and also Tick wearing a little bit more thicker and longer clothes, because actually here in Buri Ram during this period now, winter time, it's really more cold than normal, let's say. It's not really cold as we know, maybe cold from Europe, but it's for Thailand it's really getting fresh. This morning when I went with tea to the market, we had 16 degrees this morning. For me, perfect. I still had only my shirt. Tea come with big jacket. Easy for cold, the Thai people, but it's really super nice weather during this period. In the daytime now, if we coming to the afternoon, will be hot again, up to 30, 32, 34 sometimes, and then evening and morning, it's really fresh. And one thing what I also like here is that in Phuket you have also a very high humidity. Here the air is very dry, so even it is hot, for me is more nice than hot and humid in Phuket. Alex joining us now also. Everything okay? Okay. We just stopped by some snacks from over there. What we have, Mama? Luk chin, no? Yes. Very nice. One stick, 3 baht. Very good. Very yummy.
I'll eat.
So we just pick up Yai from a friend's home, a little bit outside from Buri Ram, because yesterday evening Yai go party a little bit. How about Leggy? Leggy สนุกไหม เมื่อคืน Yai
ป้าไปทำวิดีโอดีมากเลย
ขอบคุณ
วัน
ครั
นี้
บ
ก็มีโมบายบุรีรัมย์ตรงที่เคยไป
อ๋อ
ไป
โอเค
ถ่ายเอานะ
Okay, guys, we made it now to Khao Kradong already. So actually, it is an old volcano, right? Yeah. So as you saw downstairs, yeah, there were many steps where you can go up to. Cannot see that one right now, but there is a temple on top of the hill as well. Yeah? So we stop here now first for the old volcano. So on this bridge here, yeah, you actually are passing the old crater of this volcano. We can see over there. There is it. Emily running around again. Peng, come together with us again. Well, really nice place, yeah? And actually here was also no entrance fee, so if you're in this area, yeah, looking for the Khao Kradong, yeah, now I think we will go a little bit more up with the car to the temple on top of the hill. Yeah, actually, these are a lot of stairs for coming up here. Wow. But for me today, really lucky. I have the excuse, I have a pregnant girlfriend and I don't want to bring her up with the car first and then go down again and walking all the steps. Yeah, sorry, really would love that to show you how I walking the steps. Yeah, maybe another time. Yeah, or maybe someone of you do this and make a video from that one will be also okay. And Mama, nice, huh? Really good, no? Because nice weather here also. You have a very nice view. I don't know if you can see that. I hope so. On top of the mountain, really beautiful. All around, I will give you some more shots of the views here later. Really cool. Maybe a little bit windy for you, so sorry for the sound. I just tell them also that today I'm very sorry that I am not walking the steps for them, but I have an excuse. I have a pregnant girlfriend to take care. So we took the car, come up. Do you know how many steps that are?
200, I think 200 up.
200 up, so something between 200, 300 steps. They are possible. It's really high, but really cool place. Wow, that one is really huge, huh, Tick?
Big.
Really big. Can you please tell us the name? I tried it already, but even for me staying here in Thailand, I will fail for
Naga.
pronouncing this name right. So please let us know.
Okay. They call Phra Suphattharabophit.
Oh, okay.
Phra Suphattharabophit.
Okay. Means monk, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And then the name.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So actually, this one they built for good luck for the people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Every
From here.
yes. So if you coming here, yeah, will be good luck for you, everyone. Yeah. Then we just find out that every year in May, they have some special event here, so it's super busy because or a lot of monks then coming here and a lot of people coming here making their special wishes. Okay, good luck for the upcoming year, whatever. Really cool, nice place. I like it. Really, really, really good. So this was also really very nice place. Yeah, I also recommend you, if you in Buri Ram, also visit this place here. Yeah, it's just up from the volcano. So if you come to the volcano anyway, just go up a little bit more to that temple here. Very nice. So back to the hotel now. Today was really good day again, no?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Starting very nice in the morning when I went with tea to the local market to buy the red what we barbecue. If you didn't see that one yet, I will link it up one more time here for you. And then after we went pick up Yai. Yai really had a nice evening yesterday. Well, can you explain what kind of the place where Yai went yesterday? Because I actually told you Yai went out for party, but she not really party girl. She's old already, so she went to some kind of Thai traditional
For
show or something.
Show or something.
So she looking some kind of show. So she had really fun. Good for her.
Yes.
We picked her up, and then after we went to the Khao Kradong. Was also a very beautiful place. Now we've been there before, but it's always nice to come, and I really can recommend you also, if you're in Buri Ram, go there, go see the volcano, go up to the temple as well. It's really beautiful. Then in the evening we barbecued the red and eat it. Taste was
Nice.
really very nice. Yeah, really, I like that one. I think something like this is same the insect thing that people think insect and red. I think is almost happening here inside your head. That you have to not think too much. Is the red or is the insect? Try it. The taste is really really yummy. We just made it with salt and pepper. Really really nice one. Yeah, really good. So actually today we went back to the hotel a little bit more early because tomorrow we have a short trip what we planned, and we booked that one also already. Tomorrow we will go to Kolat, Nakhon Ratchasima, or also known as Kolat. We will stay there for one night, spend there 2 days. That's why today a little bit more early back to the room, that we're sleeping tomorrow, wake up early and then go to Kolat. So I hope you enjoyed the day with us as well. Have a good night everyone, and then see you again tomorrow again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.